Tsunami warning issued by Emergency Management BC. A Providence-wide tsunami warning has been issued, a magnitude of 9.1 generated 111 latitude near Kodiak Island, Alaska. A tsunami warning may impact low-lying coastal areas in the entire province of BC. A tsunami is a series of waves. The first wave may not be largest. There is risk to life from flooding, dangerous waves, and strong ocean currents. People in these areas should move inland or to higher ground now. Do not return to the coast until local authorities advise it's safe to do so. Stay alert for instructions from local authorities. For information or updates, www.emergencyinfo.gov.cca or emergencyinfo SBC on Twitter.